My name is Lawrence Rue and I'm the creator of WorkbookGo. In this short video, I'd like to tell you a little bit about what this simple to use app can offer your practice. So, what is WorkbookGo and what does it do? WorkbookGo is an online application designed for health professionals who provide therapeutic interventions over multiple appointments. It provides a simple and secure way to upload and store all your favorite clinical therapeutic resources online. You will then be able to easily distribute these resources to your clients through a confidential and professional-looking user interface. WorkbookGo also provides the possibility to share resources between clinicians. In this way, you'll also have access to a vast and growing library of fantastic and unique clinical resources and therapeutic recommendations from clinicians around the world. But I think the simplest way to tell you what WorkbookGo has to offer is to tell you a little bit about how I came up with the idea for this app. When I first started working on this idea, I just wanted to have an easy way to send my clients some activities and some educational materials in between sessions. Over many years of practice, I've collected a bunch of therapeutic resources, including audio CDs and recordings and some PDFs, as well as worksheets and some animated PowerPoint presentations. I was always reluctant to use emails to distribute resources, as it set up the possibility for a two-way correspondence, which could be problematic and difficult to manage. And to me, it never seemed very professional. So I designed an online platform that would allow me to easily distribute these clinical resources to my clients through a professional-looking and secure one-way user interface. I also had a range of excellent internet resources, which included things like YouTube, TED Talks, as well as web pages, which I would simply write down the address and hand over in a post-it note. WorkbookGo allows you to easily create a set of resources based on your favorite web pages and digital resources. By simply entering the URL address, WorkbookGo will then create a professional-looking user interface with a clickable hyperlink button. Your client will then be able to simply click on the button, which will then take them directly to the URL address and open it in their browser. This can include web pages, blogs, YouTube videos, podcasts, music, audio recordings, basically anything that has a URL address. When I designed this app, I also wanted an easy way to administer questionnaires, which my clients could fill out before coming to the service and then later after completing the program. With WorkbookGo, you'll be able to access and distribute a range of freely available popular assessment tools and questionnaires. You'll be able to create your own interactive qualitative or quantitative questionnaire. These questionnaires can then be sent to your clients at any time. Quantitative questionnaires will be automatically scored, and you will be able to download the results onto your computer for further analysis. I also wanted to have an easy way to send my clients packages of resources and activity recommendations. WorkbookGo provides the option of creating resource packages that can include a number of resources which can then be distributed to your clients in a set order of presentation. For example, you might want to create a welcome package for your new clients. This might include an initial audio recording welcoming your clients to the service. Hello, if this is your first time attending counselling, I'd like to welcome you and to tell you a little bit about what to expect. After listening to the recording, your client could then receive a PDF outlining the service agreement, which then could be followed by a DAS questionnaire. Packages are a great way of keeping your client engaged between sessions and will provide them with a sense of continuity and consistency, as well as enhance adherence and attendance. But as I developed the concept further, I quickly became aware of the potential for an application like WorkbookGo to provide an opportunity for clinicians to share their clinical resources with other clinicians from around the world. So I designed WorkbookGo from the ground up to encourage publishing and sharing of clinical resources between clinicians. With WorkbookGo, you'll be able to follow your favorite clinician or search for resources from a practitioner with a particular speciality or therapeutic approach. You'll also be able to find the best resources for your client's needs by using keyword searches based on clinical presentation or therapeutic intervention or problem type. As well as searching your own private library, you'll be able to search the vast library of resources from among a range of other libraries on WorkbookGo, including your favorites, or you might choose from the most popular and frequently used resources on WorkbookGo. So now that you've had a taste of what WorkbookGo has to offer, why not check it out? Click on the link below or go to WorkbookGo.com and register as a service provider. As an early user, you will not have to pay any subscription fees, ever. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.